how to change a punctured tube in a cycle. First, we make the workplace and access to the tire safe and easy. Then we remove the tire of the cycle and deflate the tube inside fully if not already. Using special tire levers, we loosen the tire from the rim of the cycle. We remove the old tube and clean the tire inside out to check for any puncturing foreign body. The old tube has multiple patches and is now better to throw it away and use a new tire tube. Make sure the size corresponds to the rim and tire. Then we simply insert the tube inside the tire and fit it onto the rim. Then fill it up to the specified pressure. Check your prepared tire one last time to see if everything is even, and then set it back onto the cycle and you are ready to go. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.